If you want to cancel your YouTube TV subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the YouTube TV website or open the app on your device. Sign in using the Google account associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step 2. Access settings. Once signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account options. Step 3. Navigate to Membership. In the Settings menu, look for the Membership section. Click on it to view your current subscription details and options. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Within the Membership section, you will see an option to cancel your subscription. Click on Cancel Membership and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox to ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Once you have followed these steps, your YouTube TV subscription will be cancelled and you will no longer be billed.